Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we have the topic coalition politics in India, where we will discuss about the meaning, types and causes of coalition politics in India. So, first we have to know the meaning of coalition politics or coalition. Coalition means an act of unification into one body. It derived from a Latin word coalitio, which means to grow together. But in political science, coalition refers to an alliance or temporary union of political parties to form the government. When no single party has achieved an absolute majority after an election, then two or more political parties cooperate to form a government, and that government is called as coalition government. So, in the world, beside India, we have countries like Australia, Austria, Brazil, France, Germany, Greece, Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, and Italy are operated with coalition government. Particularly in India, we have two types of coalition. One is pre-poll coalition, another one is post-poll coalition. Pre-poll coalition means when two or more political parties reach an understanding before the elections. Then they contest the election together, and if they win the election, they form the government. It's called as pre-poll coalition. It means the coalition made before the election. In India, before 1977, the Congress organization, Janasangh, Samajwadi Party and Indian People Party formed a pre-poll coalition called as Janata Party coalition. The post-poll coalition is that when two or more political parties come together into an understanding after the election to form the government. There will be no understanding between them before the election, but after the election or polls, they come together to form the government. It means the coalition made after the election. For example, in 1989 to 1991, Janata Dal, Telugu Desam Party of Andhra Pradesh, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam of Tamil Nadu, Assam Gana Parishad of Assam, and Indian Congress Socialist made a coalition called as National Front Post-Coalition Government. In India, there is mainly three causes which are responsible for coalition politics in India. The first cause is multi-party system, another one is decline of Congress dominance, and the third one is political defection. Multi-party system means where there is two or more political parties. We know that India having multi-party system where we find 8 national political parties, 52 state political parties. So it is very difficult to get majority in national level election due to the presence of many political parties. This situation led to the growth of coalition politics or coalition government at center. The second cause is decline of Congress dominance. After 1967, with the division of Congress into two parts, one is Congress O, another one is Congress I. The party lost its control at center as well as states. This also led to the growth of regional parties and coalition government at center. The third cause is political defection. Specifically after 1967 election, defection and split started in political parties due to lust for power and material consideration. The politicians leave their party and join another political party, or they may start a new political party. Due to this, many new political parties form in India. For example, in past, the Congress divided into Congress O, Congress I, and likewise the Janata Dal also split into Biju Janata Dal and Rashtriya Janata Dal. So these are the main causes for the growth of coalition politics in India. Next, come to the last part of our discussion, that is coalition politics at center. From general election 1951 to 1967, at both the center and state assembly, the Congress got clear majority. So there is no coalition at the center as well as the state. But after the fourth general election 1967, which resulted in a hung parliament or hung assembly in 6 states, and this formed the way to coalition government. The parliament for the first time experienced coalition government in the year 1977, when the Congress O, Jan Sangh and Samajwadi Party and Indian People's Party formed Janata Party coalition government. Under the Prime Ministership of Morarji Desai, the government did not function for long time. It collapsed in the mid of 1979. After that, the age of coalition politics in India started in 1989. Before election, Janata Party, Jana Morcha and Lok Dal formed a coalition called Janata Dal. Then the Janata Dal mixed with Assam Gana Parishad and Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam to form another pre-poll coalition as National Front Coalition. But in the election of 1989, no party get clear majority. But Bishwanath Pratap Singh formed the government led by National Front Coalition. It also dissolved in 1990. In 1991, the general election, Congress Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao formed the government. It worked for 5 years. From 1996 to 1999, there is tremendous instability at the center because no political party get clear majority in Lok Sabha. In 1996, the BJP-led government headed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee collapsed only in 13 days. Then Devagowda and after that I.K. Gujral became two respective prime minister in that period. In 1998, BJP formed a coalition with 14 regional parties like BJD, AIADMK, TMC, Shiv Sena, Samata Party, TRS and Akali Dal, made a coalition at the center, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee became Prime Minister for the second term. It also dissolved in April 1998. Then BJP made another coalition with 24 political parties, and the coalition is called as National Democratic Alliance or NDA. Once again, Vajpayee became the Prime Minister of India for the third term. This time, he completed 5 years till 2004. In 2004 and 2009 election also there is coalition. There is coalition of United Progressive Alliance or UPA led by Congress under the Prime Ministership of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and it functioned till 2014. In 2014 and 2019 general election, there is BJP-led National Democratic Alliance or NDA coalition working under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi. In 2004, the alliance parties were TDP, Akali Dal, People's Janashakti Party and Shiv Sena. In 2019 general election, the coalition parties are JDU, LJP, AIADMK, AGP and NPP. From the above, it was clear that India having a multi-party system. So, the coalition are inevitable for India. Either two-party system or presidential form of government will be the solution to avoid coalition in India, for which there is need to amend the present constitution, and if the same parliamentary system continued, then the only way to get out of coalition politics or coalition is the functioning of two-party system like America and England. That's all for today. Thank you.